Hey, what? Ray Mack. Hey, what? Hey, what? Welcome to Ray Mack's Kitchen and Grill. Love and not hate. Love and not hate. Welcome to Ray Mack's Kitchen and Grill. Love and not hate. What? Love and not hate. Come on. Welcome to Ray Mack's Kitchen and Grill.
Hey, what's up, YouTube? What's up? This is your boy, Ray Mack. I want to say welcome to Ray Mack's Kitchen and Grill. And today, y'all, I want to do something different, all right? I want to do a little experiment, man, on some burgers, all right? So what I'm going to do, I got this is a pound of 80/20 ground beef. And I want to use some of this here beefy onion soup mix just to make a burger. All right, so what I'm gonna end up doing, I want to take this whole pound right here. All right, and I want to take half of this. I don't think I want to use the whole pack. I think the whole pack might be a little bit too much. So what I want to do, because I'm experimenting, so I don't know how it's gonna, turn out, but I just want to try it. I'm gonna make some burgers out of this, but I'm gonna use the air fryer. All right. And hopefully I can get some burgers done up in about 8 minutes. That's what I'm trying to shoot for. And then also I want to use one ingredient, and that's it. So I'm not going to put any other type of seasoning into this here ground beef, you know what I mean, just to make some burgers. So first thing I'm going to do, you know what I'm saying, I'm going to put on some of these here gloves. Now let me ask you guys a question while I got you here, all right? How many of you beautiful people out there in YouTube land actually wash your meat? How many of you actually wash your meat? You know what I'm saying? Like your chicken, your turkey, you know what I mean? Even your beef. How many of you actually wash it before you cook it? That's just I want to see exactly what you have to say about that one. All right. So I got my meat in the bowl. And like I said, I just think I want to use just a half of this, y'all. I don't think I want to use the whole thing. So let me just see how this goes. And like you say, for 1 pound of beef, I think that might be enough. I think so. I think that might be enough right there. Yeah. All right. So now, since I got the Lipton beefy onion Lipton soup mix in, I just want to go ahead and try to incorporate it as well as I can. And I know that this is something new. I'm experimenting. I'm about tempted to put something else in here, like some pepper or some other type of seasonings, but no, I can't do it. It ain't experimenting if you're not going to stick to whatever. Oh, it smells good. The Lipton onion soup mix smells good. So like I said, I'm going to put this in the air fryer. I'm going to set the temperature of the air fryer at probably be, about 350 degrees. And I'm going to set the timer on it for about 8 minutes. So I'm going to make 2 nice healthy burgers out of this 1 pound meat. Let's see. So that's going to be 1 burger right there. That's a big old ball, ain't it? Yeah, that's 1 burger. So what I want to do, I'm going to just try to make it bigger than my hand. Because I want this to be, you know what I'm saying, to fit the bun, but I don't want the bun to be bigger than the burger. Because I'm doing this in the air fryer, and I don't know how the air fryer is going to render down some of the juices and fat in this thing. So I'm going to try to make it big enough. And I'm not going to spray that air fryer pan either. I'm just going to toss it right on in there just as is. So I'm thinking, so if you look at the ratio of this, it's going to be an ugly patty, y'all. That's my hand size, and that's the burger. It's my air fryer basket. And let's just see. I don't think I can get both of these in there. Nope, I can't get both. If you can look, only one can go in there. So I'm gonna do one at a time. So I'm gonna set my timer, my temperature at, what I say, 350. And slap this in here. I'm gonna shoot it for about 8 minutes. You guys can see. I'm gonna shoot it for about 8 minutes. No, I'm gonna put it on 10 minutes just to see, but I'm gonna check it in between. All right, YouTube. Let's go ahead and try this out. Let's taste it. Taste it. Let's test it right now. See what we got. It's a nice big burger. I wish you guys could see it. I don't know if you can. I'm try to scoop it up here so you can see it. I don't know if that's giving you a good shot of it, but you could definitely smell that onion soup mix. If you can see it. You can definitely smell the onion soup mix, and I'm telling you, it smells fantastic. So testing this again, and it reads right at 170, which is good, right at medium. I can handle the medium. Let me get it in another spot. In another spot, it reads at 175. And I found this at Goodwill, believe it or not. Y'all just don't know. Go thrift shopping. Look for stuff, man. You don't have to go in there, man, trying to buy out the world for stuff you ain't going to use. But stuff like this, you can use. I bought this for like $2. $2 right here. $2. Like I said, I'm just doing a basic burger because I wanted to see how the ingredients would pair up with just the beefy Lipton onion soup mix. Now, what I got here is 2 buns, all right? This is the bun that I love eating my burgers and sandwiches with, which is the Walmart dairy roll. And you can find these in their section. They come whole. You have to cut it yourself. And sometimes I like toasting these with some butter. And if you get some garlic herb, man, and butter and just base it all around the inside and out and toast these, man, these buns are off the chain. All right, this is your regular ballpark bun, you know what I'm saying, that you buy in your supermarket stores and your bread aisle. All right, so I want to see the difference with me cooking it in this here as far as the meat bun ratio. All right, because I love these. Normally, if I cook hamburgers on the grill at times, if I'm cooking like 3 or 4, I always use something to keep the meat pressed. And so when I put it on this bun, the burger always overlaps the bun. So I love it, doing it that way on the grill. So this is definitely something new. So I'm thinking more so, I might have to end up switching to this here ballpark bun when I'm using the fryer. All right, the air fryer. So this is what I'm gonna do. I got some Hellmann's mayonnaise. First, let me see how this meat gonna go on the bun right quick. All right, so here is the ballpark, and here is the Walmart bread. And this thing is kind of hot, so I'm just gonna see. Ooh yeah, ooh yeah. This right here is the Walmart bread, and as you can see, how that bun ratio is all right with that bun. I could deal with that, but it's a little bit more space here. You know what I'm saying? It's not overlapping the bun, but I think I could work with it on that bun. I really can. I really can. And it smells good. I'm telling you, you can smell that Lipton beef and onion soup mix. All right. That's the Walmart bun. And this is your ballpark bun right here. Now, if you look and see, there's a big difference. That's how it looks in the Walmart bun. I mean, the ballpark bun. So definitely you could chow down on this right here. Super Bowl game, if you don't want to do no grilling, you want something fast, quick, so you don't miss no game or nothing like that, the air fryer looked like it would be the way to go. Just get you some ballpark buns. You know what I'm saying? Dress your meat up however you want. Like I said, I got another patty in there that I'm going to fix up, and I'm going to eat that other patty with this bun because I don't want to waste no food. So I'm going to set this bun to the side. I'm going to use the ballpark, all right? And I'm gonna dress this sandwich up. Let me get this dressed up real quick. So, we got our bun. Smells great, y'all. Got some Hellmann's mayonnaise. And a lot of you guys who know me, who watch my channel, know that I love some Miracle Whip. But Hellmann's right now is the rule of all sandwiches. So I put it on both sides. And if you want to do some ketchup or mustard or something like that, be my guest. But I want to taste and see how this how this meat really tastes with the Lipton onion soup mix. So on my bottom bun, I'm putting me some lettuce on. Got some shredded up lettuce. And then I want to toss in a couple of tomatoes. All right. And then I want to take my burger, put that right on top. And there you go. So this is pretty much your basic cheeseburger. And man, I'm telling you, I love this. I'm gonna see how it goes on the inside. All right. And matter of fact, I could split this up for you guys just to let you see exactly how it looked on the inside. But I'm gonna take a bite of this one, y'all. I'm sorry, I ain't got time for splitting. It smells too good. This is how it is, man. I'm telling you, it looks good, smells good. Now let's see how it tastes. Oh my goodness. Look at this. I don't know. Oh. I'm telling y'all something right now. 10 minutes in the air fryer. Add 1 pound of beef, 80-20. And the only thing I used was a half a pack of the Lipton onion soup mix. I believe if you try to use the whole pack, it might be overpowering. But I would definitely say get a pound of ground beef, 80-20, half a pack of beefy onion soup mix, mix it up, cook it in the air fryer. You could dress this thing up however you want. I'm telling you, man, however you want. Shoot. Oh, yeah. Y'all got to forgive me. Before I leave, I want to say to all my new subscribers, thank you guys for checking out Ray Mack's Kitchen and Grill, and welcome to the Ray Mack family. I wanted to say, also give this video a thumbs up if you like it, comment in the comment section, and hit that subscribe button if you're not a subscriber. I always say this at the end of all of my videos: love and not hate. Love somebody and hate nobody.
Yeah.